Hello there. Heavy rain has already caused problems with flooding in parts of Northern Ireland. There's more rain to come here, but also across many northern areas of the UK in the next 24 hours. The Met Office have already issued an amber warning for the potential for further rain causing more problems in Northern Ireland as we move through today. That warning stands until this evening, but that warning is also likely to be extended into parts of Northern England and Scotland later in the day. Certainly a lot of pretty intense and thundery rain on its way. So for Northern Ireland, it is a wet start to the day, and where we have some of the heavier downpours, some quite squally winds are likely too. Rain fairly widespread across Scotland. It's going to feel chilly through the east coast as well, with the wind off the sea driving further rain into the central lowlands. I think perhaps some more scattered showers across the southern uplands, at least initially on Thursday. Rain, though, already affecting northern England, could be heavy and thundery even early on in the day, and across a good part of Wales, particularly the north. And the reason we've got those particularly thundery conditions, take a look at the temperatures. We're already in the high teens at 8 a.m. That means there's a lot of energy in the atmosphere, those kind of temperatures, and that mixing in with an area of low pressure coming into the west of the UK is why things are becoming just so unstable. Far enough ahead of our low, East Anglia and the southeast, the outlook here is generally fine. There will be some cloud around. We may trigger some isolated showers, but it is this swathe, Northern Ireland, Northern England, southern, and later on in the day, particularly central and eastern Scotland, that are in line for the worst of the rainfall. And we could see some really big hail across the northeast of England and the Midlands as well. For northern Scotland, the easterly wind means quite a cool day. As we look further south, it's rather warm and humid to the west of the UK, but it's quite hot actually through the southeast and into East Anglia. Temperatures forecast to touch 27 in London. It's certainly going to be pretty humid for London this Thursday. For Friday, there is the chance of a shower. The forecast changes quite dramatically for the end of the week. It's also much cooler, and that's because Thursday, we're ahead of this weather front. Later on Thursday into Friday, we switch round. The front is a cold front. It moves eastwards. We open up to a southwesterly airstream, and our temperatures right the way across the UK will come down for Friday, with the low sticking close to us as well. We've got some strong winds to come, and our showers are looking pretty widespread as this week comes to a close. The low stays pretty close by for the weekend as well. So our outlook, at least certainly for Saturday, is a very showery one. Perhaps Sunday seeing some longer, drier intervals. Perhaps the biggest difference, though, is it will be cooler through the next few days.